Oh no, he got us.
Black Cat, what's up? What's up, Black Cat?
There we go.
Watch Black Cat Bushcraft. If you don't, you're missing out.
There we go.
East Side Rider.
I don't watch television. That's all right. Good job, bud.
There we go.
That's a lot.
It's Mr. Sean Kelly from Corporal's Corner.
What's up?
Sir?
What's going on?
Mr. Dave Canterbury, Mr. Jamie Burley, and the boss lady, Miss Iris Kenny.
Oh, Iris got on camera. I like it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Here at the Moore Ninth booth. This is the first time I've been able to film more knives because they've been so busy.
You're saying it doesn't
So if somebody wanted to find you on YouTube, sir, where would they find you?
On Corporal's Corner.
Corporal's Corner. There we go.
Thanks for watching.
Now we're official. Now we're official. Most likely you know him, but if you don't, Corporal's Corner, you gotta subscribe.
There you go.
So you guys trying to get
Some flour over there.
It's too small.
Oh, there he is.
How's it going?
Hey, Larry.
How are you doing?
You enjoying Blade Show?
Absolutely, man. Blade Show's the best.
Absolutely. Larry, if somebody wanted to find you on YouTube, where would they look?
Just do a search for Larry Roberts, Instagram, back, the number 2, basics, back to basics, and Facebook, Larry Roberts.
Make sure you check him out, give him a sub, you'll learn a lot. Thanks, Larry. Take care, brother.
Thank you. I just couldn't make it across there.
Dan Wilwack from Cold Cracker Bushcraft. How you doing, Dan?
I'm doing good. Show's doing good. Got to meet a lot of nice people here. Just hang out with everybody and see old friends. So it was awesome.
Excellent. If people wanted to find some information about all this great stuff I'm showing here in the shot, where would they go?
Yes, you could check out all our merchandise and our classes at coldcrackerbushcraft.com, where you can check out all my cool teaching skills at Cold Cracker Bushcraft on YouTube.
Excellent. Definitely one that they have to sub to.
Yep. Thanks, Matt.
Dan. Take care, brother. I bet everybody knows this guy right here, Mr. Blackie Thomas from Shaman's Forge Woodcraft. One of the most knowledgeable guys here on the floor. No, I love talking to Blackie. I always learn something talking to him. He's always a good guy to spend time with. If you hadn't checked out his channel, Blackie Thomas.
Blackie Thomas on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Go check him out. Give him a sub. Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you too.
Here's Chris right here from Exotac.
Howdy.
How you doing, Chris?
Peachy.
You enjoying the blade show?
Yes and no. It's been a long show.
People don't realize how much work this is.
Yeah, a lot of repetitive talking.
I'm sure. And actually, I think your products kind of sell themselves.
Yeah.
Titan Light, Match Cat, all these different products that I definitely have enjoyed using myself. And everybody needs to be able to make a fire, so you should definitely go and visit. What's the website?
Exotac.com.
Exotac.com. Go and check them out.
We keep it pretty simple.
American made, high quality gear.
Yeah, we make everything right here in Georgia, about an hour away from Atlanta.
Thank you, Chris.
Yep, have a good one.
Denny with Appalachian Fieldcraft. Check out my YouTube channel at Mike Denny at Appalachian for Appalachian Fieldcraft. And should be getting some new content out this summer. I've slacked this winter, but we're back on it. So
go check
thanks,
him
guys.
out. He's got some good stuff there. So everyone, this is Randy with Stitch Gear Outfitters, and Randy is the man who makes all of the custom leather sheaths for William Collins or WC Knives, and he makes some fantastic heirloom quality sheaths. So when you consider those WC Knives, make sure you also contact Randy and pick up Stitch Gear Outfitter sheath.